Hey, how's it going? Amelia here. Let's see what's making news. A new global report reckons we're facing a climate emergency. 11,000 scientists have backed the study, which says if we don't change a few things, the future doesn't look so good. They've set out 6 recommendations that they think could make a huge difference. Liv's going to lay them out for us.
The first recommendation has to do with energy. The report says governments need to think about replacing fossil fuels, oil and gas, with renewable energies. Experts say we need to cut out things like methane gas and also soot, which comes from things like land fires and diesel cars and causes ice and snow to melt faster. It's also recommended we do more to protect important parts of our ecosystem, like trees which produce oxygen, mangroves which keep our coastlines together, and certain creatures in the ocean that help absorb carbon. Human diets are also a big focus. Experts reckon cutting back on animal products will help to cut down on methane pollution, and that plant-based foods often need less resources and land. Finally, countries should look at how their economies can support people and the environment. And world leaders need to think about how to handle the world's fast-growing population. Now, that's a lot to take in, and obviously it can't all happen overnight. But the scientists reckon their list is a good place to start.
We need to act now. It's not too late to act, but really we need to get moving.
The person who makes the Queen's fancy official clothing says she'll no longer be using fur. Animal fur has been a staple of the royal family's ceremonial outfits for generations, but from now on, anything new will be made with fake fur. Animal rights groups are super excited about the move and say it sends the message that fur has no place in fashion. A teenager in the US has won thousands of dollars for making blind spots in cars see-through. You see, there are parts of cars that are important for safety, like these side panels, but they can also make it hard for the driver to see what's on the outside, and that's what a blind spot is. 14-year-old Elena put a camera on the outside of the car panels and projected the feed onto the inside, making them see-through and safer. That idea earned her the top prize at the Broadcom Masters, a STEM competition in the US. Nice one, Elena. Let's check out the latest sports news now, and Australia's had another great night on the cricket pitch.
Steve Smith was definitely the hero of last night's 2020 match against Pakistan. The visitors set a target of 151, and while Warner's early exit had fans a bit worried, Steve Smith strolled in and made 80 not out, leading the Aussies to victory.
Smith, the shot of the night!
The two sides will face each other again this Friday in Perth. While everyone was focused on the Melbourne Cup yesterday, a few different races were held in other parts of the country. The Croc Cup took place in Berry Springs, a little place just down the road from Darwin. And this went on in Adelaide.
We wanted a day where people could do something, dress up, it's fun.
Big Bishop was crowned the best prehistoric athlete. But technically, they're all cheating because those aren't real dinosaurs. Spoiler alert.
This next segment's all about some cheeky creatures in the US showing up in places they really shouldn't. It's animals behaving badly. American edition. That right there is a dog on a 2-story roof, and it looks like that dog is really regretting its life choices right now. After several tense minutes, this daring Rhode Island stranger managed to coax it over and deliver it to safety. It's still unclear how the pup actually got up there, but we reckon it's the last time it goes on that adventure. All right, you get one guess. What's in the dumpster? Yeah, it's a big old bear.
That is T-shirt. It's okay.
It's a t-shirt?
It is T-shirt.
Is that his name?
Yeah, he has a big white front on him.
You see, this bad bear's had a few run-ins with US law enforcement officers before, but they still helped T-shirt out and let him off with yet another warning.
Good boy. Go.
And look out, it's a naughty little pitch invader. A black cat crashed this NFL game in New Jersey, but fans didn't seem to mind. In fact, they cheered the cat on all the way to a touchdown. Not sure the cat was quite as thrilled about its new career. It made a very quick exit. Well, that's about it for now, but how cool was that teenager's whole idea with like the car and the blind spot? Let us know if you have some crazy cool idea for a new invention. Comment below. While you're at it, also hit that subscribe button and you can turn on notifications with that bell button just down there. And hey, give us a like if you liked this video. It's that thumbs up.